Welcome to our US Farmland channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of noodle production. From simple ingredients to the delicious noodles you love, we are going to show you behind the scene of how noodles are made in a factory. Let's get started. Noodles have been a staple food in many cultures for centuries. Whether it's spaghetti, ramen, or fettuccine, the basic ingredients are often the same: wheat flour, water, and sometimes eggs. But how do these simple ingredients transform into the noodle we enjoy? Let's find out. The first step in noodle production is mixing the dough. In a factory setting, huge industrial mixture are used to blend wheat flour and water. Depending on the type of noodle, eggs, salt, or other ingredients may be added. The goal is to create a consistent and elastic dough that can be easily shaped. Once the ingredients are mixed, the dough need to be kneaded. This process develops the gluten, giving the noodle their characteristic texture and chewiness. In factories, this is done by powerful kneading machines that can handle large quantities of dough at once. After kneading, the dough needs to rest. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to work with. Depending on the type of noodle, the dough may rest for anywhere from 30 minutes to a few hours. The next step is rolling and sheeting the dough. The rested dough is fed through a series of rollers that gradually flatten it into thin sheets. The sheets are then stretched to desired thickness, which varies depending on the type of noodle being produced. Once the dough is sheeted, it's time to cut it into noodles. Automated cutting machines slice the dough into long, thin strands. The shape and size of noodles can be adjusted by changing the setting on the machines. This is how factories can produce a wide variety of noodle types, from thick udon to thin vermicellis. Depending on the type of noodle, the strands may be steamed or boiled at this stage. For example, instant noodles are steamed to cook them partially before being fried or air dried. Fresh noodles, on the other hand, are often boiled immediately after cutting. If the noodles are intended to be sold as a dry noodle, they go through a drying process. The noodles are spread out on racks or conveyor belts and pass through drying tunnels with controlled temperature and humidity. This process removes moisture and extends the shelf life of the noodles. For instant noodles, there's an additional step: frying. The partially cooked noodles are fried in hot oil to remove excess moisture and give them their unique texture. After frying, the noodles are cooled and packaged. Quality control is a crucial part of noodle production. Factories employ both automated system and human inspectors to ensure the noodles meet strict quality standards. These include checking for right texture, color, and moisture content. Finally, the noodles are ready for packaging. Depending on the type of noodle, they might be packaged in plastic bags, boxes, or cups. The packaging process is highly automated, ensuring the noodles are sealed and labeled correctly before being shipped out to the stores. While wheat flour are most common, there are many special type of noodles made from different ingredients. For instance, rice noodles are made from rice flour and water, while soda noodles are made from buckwheat flour. Each type has its unique production process and characteristics. And there you have it. From mixing the dough to packaging the final product. The journey of noodle making is truly fascinating. The next time you enjoy a bowl of noodles, you will know just how much effort and expertise goes into making them. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more exciting content.